Let's look at printer pools. Let's imagine a situation now where I have 20, 30 people in a room. It could be a classroom. Yeah, let's make it a classroom. So I've got a classroom and I do a lot of, let's say I do a lot of printing, or I have my students do a lot of printing in this classroom. And because of that, one printer just never quite cuts it. Everybody's waiting for jobs, or this one's out of paper, or there's some network problem with another one. So maybe I go out and I buy 5 printers, and they're all the same. They're all similar, at least, very similar. They don't always have to be the same, but they should be very close for this to work. So I can put them all in the same pool so that they all run on the same spooler. They all run into the same set of jobs. And what happens is when a print job comes in, I want it to go out to the first printer that's available. So let's, by the way, this isn't quite load balancing, because load balancing implies that it's orchestrated, which printer it's going to go to. It's a first come, first serve. Whichever printer is ready next, that's the one that's going to print to. So let's take a look here at our server, and I really only have 2 printers here, and they're not even real printers. They're both virtual printers. This one prints to PDF. Let's pretend for a moment that I actually have 2 printers listed here that print to PDF, and let's pretend that those are real printers. And I want to put them in the same printer pool. Here's what I would do. I would right-click on this printer, go down to Properties. Once I'm in Properties, I'll go to Ports over here. And you can see that this is already checked. And I can now enable printer pooling. So I'll just turn that on. And now whatever port my other printer, I don't even see my other PDF one on here, by the way, but actually, oh, I see. It's the same as the XPS document writer and print to PDF. They're on the same one. So let's say that I had 2 of these things, because I don't, but I'm pretending. It would show up over here in the printer column, and so I would click that one as well, and then when I click OK, both of those are now in the same pool, and it would print to whichever one came first whenever a print job came to those. So if I click here and click Open Printer Queue, well, I would see all of the print jobs that are going to either one of those printers in this case. So that's what printer pools are all about. They're actually fairly simple to run. And by the way, you can even do this in your Windows machine if you want. I'm going to move this guy down here, and I'll go to Printers and Scanners. And same thing here. I can click right here, go to Manage. And once I'm in Manage now, I can go to Printer Properties, and there's my Ports tab, and I have exactly the same thing here.